Hello, and welcome to part 12 of the video presentation of Lab1A, which discusses the Place Circle Rad tool and the Measure Radius tool. The Place Circle Rad tool. This tool facilitates placement of a circle defined by the radius. The objective of this lab is to demonstrate placing a circle by the Place Circle Rad tool, or Place Circle Radius tool, and the method is the Place Circle by Key in Radius option. Remaining in the proposed water section and CAD Tools tab of the main menu, click the Place Circle Rad button. The Place Circle by Key in Radius dialog will appear, and it will change your level and attributes to the UTLE_E_MISC-line level. Highlight the radius input box and enter the appropriate radius as depicted in Figure 33. A circle will appear attached to and centered on the cursor. Place and continue placing the circle as deemed appropriate to become familiar with the tool. For a brief demonstration of the Place Circle Rad tool, which invokes the Place Circle by Radius command, we will remain in the CAD Tools portion of the proposed water dialog. We will select the Place Circle Rad button, and when the dialog box appears, we will just key in 100 feet for the radius since this is for demonstration purposes. And we'll place the circle anywhere. We'll place the circle centered on the intersection by use of the key point snap and snapping to the end of the leader line, or using the intersection snap and snapping to the intersection of the roadway center lines. This concludes the Place Circle Rad segment. Please stay tuned for the Measure Radius tool segment. The Measure Radius tool. This tool facilitates measuring the radius of a circle or arc. The objective of this lab is to demonstrate measuring the radius of a circle or arc by the Measure Radius tool. Remaining in the proposed water section and CAD Tools tab of the main menu, click the Measure Radius button. The Measure Radius dialog box will appear as depicted in Figure 34. Following the prompts, at the lower left of the MicroStation Connect Edition dialog, data point on the circle or arc with the radius to be measured. For this exercise, select one of the main P-EOP line arcs at the intersection. The radius of the element will populate the Measure Radius tool dialog. The measurement should appear as depicted in Figure 35. To demonstrate the Measure Radius tool, we will measure one of the edge of pavement radii at the intersection of Lawrence Avenue and Sprint Street. From the CAD Tools section of the proposed water dialog, we'll select the Measure Radius tool, zoom in as needed, and follow the prompts at the lower left of the MicroStation Connect Edition dialog. The first prompt says to identify the element. And left click on the element that is to be measured. The primary radius is listed as 25 feet, and the primary diameter is listed at 50 feet. In summary, this lab has provided a brief review and demonstration of the Place Circle Rad and Measure Radius tools. This concludes part 12 of Lab1A, the Place Circle Rad and Measure Radius tools lab. Thank you for joining us.